One of the most expected smartphones in this year 2023 is indeed the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. After leaks and rumors, we were able to get our hands on the first unboxing and test videos of the S23 Ultra exclusively. We can notice that on this first preview, the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra strongly resembles the S22 Ultra in terms of design. In terms of design, the S22 Ultra was really a success on this point, and the S23 Ultra just erases its imperfections. For this year, Samsung has gone all out on the performance front, and let me reveal the promises of the S23 Ultra in detail. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra will be launched on February 1, 2023, and its biggest news are the performance and the photo setup. The S23 Ultra is powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 coupled with 12 GB of RAM and runs One UI 5 based on Android 13. It also features a 6.8-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a refresh rate ranging from 0 to 120 Hz. In terms of photo and video quality, the leaker who took in hand the smartphone in preview led us believe that the photo and video capture has been greatly improved for the entire range, whether the S23, S23 Plus and S23 Ultra. It has also been reported that the new ISOCELL HP2 sensor of 200 megapixels really proves its worth in terms of photo and video even in night mode. So we are waiting for the final tests to confirm this information. The photo configuration available on the S23 Ultra is as follows: a 200 megapixels main camera, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide, a 10 megapixels telephoto lens and a 10 megapixels periscope telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. The S23 Ultra also has a 5000 mAh battery and a 45-watt fast charge, and we think that with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 optimization, the autonomy would be there. In conclusion, we are waiting for the official release of the S23 Ultra to fully appreciate it. Subscribe for more videos and see you soon.